Welcome back to FunuTech. Today we are working on a real electrical problem. This fridge socket was badly burned because of a loose connection inside the socket. In this video, we will check the actual reason behind this damage, remove the faulty socket, and install a safe replacement dot. So let's say what happened, and how to prevent this dangerous problem. Look at this burned fridge socket. At first, it may look like a small electrical problem, but this damage can become a serious safety risk. In this video, we will find out why this socket burned and how to replace it correctly. This socket was connected with a refrigerator. After long-term use, the internal contact clips became loose. Because the plug was not making a tight connection, heat started building inside the socket, causing burning and damage. Here's the technical reason. When a socket clip becomes loose, electrical resistance increases. Higher resistance creates more heat. This continuous heating can melt the plastic, burn the socket, damage the plug, and create a dangerous situation. Here is the technical reason. Never ignore these signs. A hot socket, loose plug, black marks, or burning smell means there is a problem, especially for heavy appliances like refrigerators, air conditioners, heaters, and pumps. A quality connection is very important. First, we turn off the power supply and remove the damaged socket safely. After removing it, we inspect the wiring and terminals because heat damage can also affect the connections behind the socket. Now we install a new quality socket. The wire terminals must be tightened properly. A loose wire connection can create heat again, so proper installation is very important. After installation, we check the socket carefully. The plug should fit tightly, and there should be no heating or loose movement. A proper connection improves safety and protects your appliances. You're watching FunuTech, where technology meets practical solutions. On this channel, we explore real electrical work, solar energy systems, HVAC, plumbing, CCTV, repairs, and modern technology with practical explanations. Every project has a lesson, and every small detail matters when it comes to safety and performance. From troubleshooting real problems to installing better solutions, FunuTech brings you hands-on knowledge from the real world. Now, let's continue and see how this damaged fridge socket is replaced and what we can learn from this electrical failure. Where every repair has a reason, and every technology has a story. In today's world, electrical systems are a part of our daily life, but we often ignore the small signs that indicate a bigger problem. A loose connection, a weak component, or a poor installation can slowly turn into serious damage. That is why understanding the basics of electrical safety is important. At FunuTech, we bring you real projects, real problems, and real solutions, from electrical repairs and solar systems to modern technology installations. Our mission is to share practical knowledge that helps you work smarter, safer, and better. From a simple electrical connection to advanced solar systems, every detail matters. In our videos, we don't just show the final result. We show the complete process, the problems, the reasons, and the solutions. Because real learning comes from understanding how things work. FunuTech brings practical experience, technical knowledge, and real-world projects together in one place. Whether it is electrical repair, energy solutions, smart systems, or modern technology, our goal is to make complex things simple and useful for everyone. This is FunuTech, where technology becomes easy to understand. Today, we learned an important lesson. A small, loose connection can create a big electrical problem. This burned socket was not just a damaged part. It was a warning sign that should never be ignored. Always use quality electrical accessories, check loose connections, and take safety seriously. At FunuTech, we bring you real projects, real problems, and practical solutions. Remember, a small loose connection can create a big electrical problem. Always use good quality accessories and repair damaged sockets immediately. Stay safe with FunuTech.
दे फ्रिज और ठहर यार इधर निशान भी लगा दूंगा अल्फी पे कर अल्फी पे कर भाई
आकाश भाई भी आकाश भाई
ご覧いただきありがとうござい
क्या हो रहा
ま
है?
す